Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make black pepper chicken. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time being here, please do me a favor. Go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be sure to go down and hit that description box below. It has the recipe for this video and also a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make black pepper chicken. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with about 6 chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, 1 green bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, 3 celery stalks, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of oil, and for our sauce we are going to have 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of some minced ginger. Alright, I did all the prep. We got everything diced up, ready to go. All we got to do is make it, so let's start doing that. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our sauce. So I got the chicken base, it was in the picture, and I got 1/2 cup of water in here. We're just going to mix that right up. That's the first thing I'm going to add into this. It's our base, and of course our vinegar, the oyster sauce, our black pepper, fresh ginger minced up, or garlic, sorry. Here's our fresh ginger right here, and our chili powder. Mix this up. We're just going to set this to the side while we do the next step. Alright, with the gloved hands, I'm going to add our chicken into a larger bowl here and kind of spread it out a little bit. And then we're going to make sure it's pat dry as well as you can. Put your cornstarch right in there and your black pepper. And then we're just basically going to get this all over our chicken. There we go. Let's head over to our pan. Alright, as always, we have our mise en place with all of our ingredients behind the pan there. We got the chicken, we got the peppers, we got the onions, celery, have our utensils ready. Got the garlic and the ginger and the onion powder behind there. And our pan that we're going to cook in, I'm going to go ahead and set up the shot and we will start cooking. Alright, I'm going to turn the heat on to about a medium high. Have our oil right here. And put all of it into our pan. Now this pan is big enough to cook the amount of chicken that we have to make all at once. It's not a small pan where we have to cook it in batches. So we're going to go ahead and when that oil gets hot, we're going to go ahead and add all this chicken in there. Took our test strip in here. And once that starts sizzling, we'll add the rest of it. There we go. Alright, we got a little sizzle going on our chicken there. So we know the pan is hot. I'm just going to kind of go ahead and add the chicken in here. I'm not going to crowd it. I'm going to try not to. We just want to get that cornstarch to brown up nice in that oil. And we'll move it around a little bit once we get it in there. Alright, let me get this out of the way, get my gloves off. There we go. We'll start letting that chicken cook and then we'll flip it over once we start getting some color on it. Smell that pepper cooking. You'll try to turn each piece over, it'll be insane. Just stir it up. Let it cook, stir it up a little more. Go ahead and put the lid on it, let it cook. Chicken's starting to cook a little bit here, so I am going to go ahead and we're going to add our onion powder, our garlic, and our ginger into this. We're going to stir that up. We're going to continue to cook. Okay, so that chicken is cooking. It's pretty close to being almost done. We got some nice color on the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and add our celery first. Let that get a head start before we add the onions and pepper. Give it about a minute in that pan. Alright, celery's got a head start. Let's go ahead and throw our peppers and onions in. Peppers, onions. Stir this in. Cover it up. Alright, those vegetables are getting nice and soft, but not too soft. Alright, we're going to take our sauce now that we made, stir it up a little bit, dump it right in there where the hot part of the pan is, and we are just going to let this cook. Turn down the heat just a touch. We'll let that cornstarch that we did our chicken in earlier do its magic. Alright, this is starting to thicken. I'm going to let the lid on it, turn the heat off. This rice gets it done. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, make it look awesome. Take some photos over for social media. We're going to throw those pictures into the timeline with some really groovy music. We're going to come back and we're going to give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. Awesome photos there. Now we're going to give it a try. Got a little bit of everything in there. Celery, onion. Oh yeah. Yeah. Vegetables are cooked perfectly. They're not too tough. They're soft, but not mushy soft. The chicken is incredible. The flavor of this is with all that ginger and garlic. Yeah, this is incredible. Very good flavor. Not overbearingly peppery, I guess is the word, but it's got enough in there to let you know it's there. But I appreciate you watching this pepper chicken. Glad you could make it today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you leave a little comment down below and let us know how we did. Give this video a nice thumbs up, like. Oh, there's the pepper. And then make sure you share this video and this channel with everybody that you know. Bye-bye.